sciatica are things which are often mentioned to me, and as a yoga teacher, I'm always a little bit nervous when people just say, "Oh, I've got a bad back," because I kind of really like to know a little bit more than that, so I can advise them well about what's good to do and what actually is really not good to do. But these are a couple of pretty safe things that most people who've got some level of pain in the back may be able to manage. Now, both of them are based from the floor, so just be really careful that if you're going to have difficulty getting down on the floor, you're reasonably confident that you can get back up again. I don't want to find you there a week later. So here we go. They're both from a lying position, and they're actually things I use. Anybody who's been to my classes, you'll recognise these ones are straight away. They're right at the beginning of the session, and they are just a really nice way of getting into the flow of the body, feeling how things are. So from a position lying on your back, just really simply, one at a time, don't lift both the legs together. One at a time, bring the knees up onto the chest. Imagine somebody's come along and kind of glued them onto each other. They're going to stay stuck to each other. And rest one hand on each knee. Now, when I look around the room, I see people with their legs here, here. The legs might be right up close. Everybody is different. Position that's comfortable for you. Very gently just rolling around. So imagine you've kind of got this like a big pot you're stirring, if you like. And as you begin to relax into this feeling, you'll have a sense of the low back being sort of pushed gently around on the floor, quite relaxing. Try it the other way around as well. Remember, in yoga, what we do one way, we remember to do the other. Gentle breathing. Don't feel you have to be in any special breathing pattern. Place the feet one at a time back on the ground. And then here's the other thing that works quite well. I'm going to stretch out my left leg, so the leg is flat out on the ground, with my low back as close to the ground as I can get it, without pushing and straining. I'm going to draw the right knee up towards me, and again, when I look around the class, some people's knees are here, some people's knees are here, some people's knees are here. Everybody's different. Hands clasped gently around the knee. I'm going to breathe in first, and as I breathe out, I'm going to draw the knee close into my chest. Breathing in and releasing. Breathing out, bring the knee into the chest. Breathing in, releasing. Breathing out, draw the knee into the chest. And these three simple movements give you that sense of coordinating your breath with your movement. The alternative is to hold the knee gently close to you. Take 3 breaths and focus as you breathe out on the idea, this idea that this knee is allowed to come a little bit closer. Relaxing the leg away, stretching the right leg out. Carefully bring the left knee up. Again, the same idea that the knee is going to be a little way away from you. And then as you breathe out, you're going to bring it close. As you breathe in, you're going to relax it away. You can see the way my breath working with the movement. And lastly, of course, you can just draw the knee in towards you, hold it there, and take those 3 breaths as I did before. As you finish, releasing that knee away, stretching the leg out, returning it to the ground. Now, I could just sit straight up, but the way I normally suggest people come up from a lying position, bring the knees up, roll over, tuck yourself up like this, all fours position, and then up to kneeling, moving on from there. So there we are, we've got just a couple of things that will help you with loosening up any tension you've got in the back.